Sige! Ha! Ha! Ha!
Kong choy la Chikiri kong koy la Ambot kikik Kikik Bobo chicang Chikiri kong tongang Ambot kikik Kiri wawang choy Choro kong kolay Tidang bobo chicang Kiri kong tongang Kiring choriak kangkong Hot Ambot kikik Kong choy la Chikiri kong koy la Ambot kikik Bobo chicang Chikiri kong tongang Ambot kikik Kiri wawang choy Choro kong kolay Tidang bobo chicang Kiri kong tongang Kiring choriak kangkong Hot Kalimutan tuloy, Lolo Basyong ang
Kerang
bobo chicang Kiri kong tongang Tibay bocok Kiri-di-plok Kiri-di kwak mok Chororo kwak Kong choy la Kiri kong koy la Ang bobo chicang Kiri kong tongang Ambot kikik Kiri wawang choy Choro kong kolay Sidang bobo chicang Kiri kong tongang Kiring choriak kangkong Hut Bocikik Ponglo Chororo kong komplot Sidang bobo chicang Kiri kong komplot Tibay bocok Kiri-di-plok Kiri-di kwak mok Chororo kwak Kong choy la Kiri kong choy la Ambot kikik Bobo chicang Kiri kong tongang Ambot kikik Kiri wawang choy Choro kong kolay Tidang bobo chicang Kiri kong tongang Kiring choriak kangkong Huy Ambot kikik Ya bo kikik Ya bo kikik Choriak jemot bo kikik
Another song! The Philippine Geography!
Apa gitu? Ulitin tayo. Ala the Philippine Geography?
Yes.
Apa kasta gamay?
Geography!
Pilipinas a great history according to our geography. Manila is the capital city that end point from the other county. Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Zapote, Malabon, Las Piñas, Parañaque. From the north, Batanes, Sapare, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now let's go to the southern Luzon, Camarines Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon, and we have 3 islands more, Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, then down to Visayan Shore, Limusa, Peace, Sugar, Coconut, and Corn. Cebu, Mangtan, Mandawi, Bohol, Samar, Leyte, Iloilo, Kamisanglan, Antique, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, Siquijor, Dumaguete. Now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao, Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, Magellan, Mambahaw, Bukton, Agusan, Surigao, Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, Osamis, and the 3 provinces of Davao, Davao Sur Oriental del Norte, Cotabato, Lanao, Sulu, Tawi, Tawi. Ay, Philippines has a great history. Ay, Manila is the capital city. Ay, all tourists are invited to see. According to our geography, Philippines is a beautiful country.
Another song, Magellan. Our yoyoy, Benjamin.
Kape kasta kayo, mahimisan pa ikarot. Kape matik-matik. Wait lang lolo sige, basta ka pa lang ta isi-search ka. Adan. On March 16, 1521,
21.
Philippines was discovered by Magellan. They were sailing day and night across the big ocean until the show is Limasawa Island. Magellan landed in Limasawa at noon. The people made him very welcome on the shore. They did not understand the speaking they have done, because Castilla did that waray man. When Magellan landing in Cebu City, Raha umabot meet him, they were very happy. All people were baptized and born the Church of Christ, and that's the beginning our Catholic life. When Magellan visited Mactan to Christianize then everyone, but Lapu-Lapu met him on the shore. But Lapu and go back home. Then they back and got so mad, ordered his men to come a plant Mactan Island with coconut grab, cause Lapu-Lapu is very hard. Then the battle began down, Bolos is there versus gun and cannon. When Magellan, what hit on his neck, he stumbled down and cried a cry. Oh mother, mother, I am sick. Call the doctor very quick. Doctor, the child I die. Tell my mama do not cry. Tell my mama